I'm thinking about cutting my hair. Hey Simplies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you can be a Simply, and make sure you turn your post notifications on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I know you guys read the title of this video. I have been contemplating cutting my hair for quite some time now. I don't know if you've been watching me for a while or if you're new to my channel, but I did a big chop back in 2014. I once was relaxed and I got tired of it and I wanted to do something about it. My hair was limp, it wasn't growing, it was dry, it was like straw. I wanted to know how to get my hair curly. The wet look just wasn't working with relaxed hair. So I went ahead and I did a big chop, and it was just an amazing journey, amazing process for me. But there comes a time in your life where you need something different. You know, us women, we're not always satisfied with the way we look. We're always trying to find ways to improve ourselves, whether it's working out, getting fit, you know, getting surgery to enhance our looks, putting makeup on, changing our hair color, adding weave, different protective styles, whatever the case may be. We always like change. We always want to make ourselves feel beautiful. A lot of times women tend to cut their hair because of stress. Women cut their hair because they want to feel free, they want to feel liberated. Kind of just need a reset in life, you know? Sometimes things are just overwhelming and you just want to change. You just want to feel good. You want to feel renewed. You want a fresh start. You want to grow. That's what makes us feel. That's what makes us feel whole. I've come to terms with myself and I realized that, you know, yes, I have grown my hair to waist length hair, as you can see in this picture. And yes, it's beautiful. And yes, you know, I get compliments on my hair, but did that truly make me happy? Was I happy with my hair? After a while, it starts to get boring. I wanted to change for myself. I wanted to get rid of that dead weight. I feel like sometimes you need to start over. Sometimes it's like planting a seed into the ground and you want to just sprout and you want to blossom into something new. Change is always a beautiful thing, and change is not always easy for some people to adapt to. But this has been on my mind, been on my heart. I've been putting it off for way too long now, and I feel like it's now or never. I'm kind of like a right on the spot type of person. Like if I don't do it today, then I'm just not gonna do it. So that's where I'm at with this. So I wanted to come on here and share this experience with you guys, because I know some of you are probably like, no, don't do it. About it, like literally thinking about it, and then I'm like, oh my God, what will I do? How will I feel? Everybody else gonna think about me cutting my hair, and at the end of the day, it's for me. It's for self. It's for self. And you need to do the things that make you feel good, not what other people may think. We tend to worry about what people say. We tend to worry about living in a world that's so judgmental, trying to fit in and live up to standards that are sometimes just not for us. Whether your hair is long or short, hair does not define you. Hair does not define me. And I had to come to terms with that, you know, sometimes your hair can be your blanket. Your hair is like your comfort. So when you have your hair, it makes you feel you're the prettiest. But in all reality, hair is just another accessory to our beauty. That's all it is. I have a confession that I want to make to you guys. Oh my God. I can't believe I just did it. I did it, guys. I literally did it. I literally cut all my hair off and it's in this bag right now. Inches is gone. I feel amazing right now. I feel so light. I feel like it's a fresh start. I feel just like the weight has been lifted. I can't believe that I actually had the courage to do it, but I know that us women are strong. We can do whatever we put our minds to, and I did it. I went to the salon, and unfortunately I wasn't able to film and insert a little clip of my hair. I also colored it as well. Yes, I did. Oh my God, don't come for me. But I colored it. I did like a nice color for my complexion, and I feel amazing. I kind of feel like a new person. I feel new and improved, and I feel like I'm ready to take over the world, okay? I know you guys are probably like, hurry up, let me, why are you talking? Let me see, Michelle, you talking too much. Don't rush. I feel so good. I feel amazing. That's all I can say. I just feel really good, and I'm ready to start this new hair journey. I'm ready to, you know, take this on, and I will be able to give you guys new content. I'll be more consistent, because I know your girl been slacking, your girl been lazy, but your girl been doing other things. But you know what? That's just an excuse. I'm going to be here, and I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to give you guys some good videos. Y'all ready to see this? If y'all ready to see this, before I show you, you got to make sure that y'all like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn around real quick. Turn around. I'm not going to show you unless you turn around. Okay. 1, 2. So this is my new look. I decided to go with a bob cut, so it's kind of like short in the back and it comes down longer. I originally had it blow dried, but my hair was like frizzy, so you know when the edges start curling up, you got to wet that, okay honey? You can't have slayed hair, straight hair, and your edges is looking real curly. It just won't look right. But I feel really proud and I feel really good. I feel so light, and I'm really happy with the choice that I made. You know, you have to just do the things that make you happy. Don't worry about what other people have to say about you. Do what makes you feel good inside. And I'm really proud of my results and wait to take this short journey on again, because let me tell you, there's so many pros about having short hair. One, the detangling process is cut in half. Two, you don't have to worry about washing and sectioning your hair off, taking hours at a time to do your hair. Three, it literally takes me under 20 minutes to do this wash and go. So everything is just less time consuming, which means I'm able to do things, and you know, I'm able to do things faster, more easier, and not have to be stressed out trying to figure out what to do with my hair. And on another note, your girl can still put her hair in a ponytail. So my hair is still long enough to do a little ponytail, so I'm happy about that. So that's about it. I really am really proud of the choice that I decided to make. I feel really great. I feel lighter. I feel like I needed to let go of a lot of dead weight, a lot of baggage. I feel like a new person. I'm new and improved, and I'm ready to take on the world. Like, that's the type of mindset I feel. And sometimes change is just what we need. Change is something that's good and beneficial for everyone, you know? It's just about putting your foot in front of the other and just making it happen. We tend to procrastinate a lot on the things that we say we want to do, but we just never do it. I'm the type of person that I tend to make hasty decisions at times. Like I said, hair doesn't define me. Hair is just another accessory that makes us feel good. But whether I have short hair, long hair, my mind and my heart still remains the same. If you guys like my new hair, make sure that you comment that down below. And don't worry, your girl's back in business. I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your wash and go if you have short hair, what products I use, how I maintain my hair, how I keep it hydrated. And honestly, I don't even think that I want my hair to be long again. I mean, I've accomplished my hair goal, which was waist length, and I'm proud of that. You know, I'm proud that I was consistent enough to stick with it, because I have a tendency of starting things and I never truly complete them. But with my natural hair journey, when I first big chopped, I was so into it. I was so involved. I was so dedicated. And it just shows that when you put your efforts into something and you really take time and do things for you, it's nothing but beautiful results. So I know that if I wanted to grow my hair back again, I could do so. But for now, I'm loving it. I'm feeling good. And I will be uploading more often, guys, I promise you. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my new hair. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did mention, I did color it, but my hair is still fairly damp, so you can't really tell, but I did put a honey blonde color in it, and I just wanted to do something different. But remember, make sure to love yourself, put yourself first. Self-love is the best love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.